Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Greco298, and today we're going over the ISZ-2021 plugin for the PC/Steam release or port. This will allow you to use several different codes and other things that I have developed that allow you to, well, hack in ISZ 2021. This also works in multiplayer, but with some, I would say, um, limitations in multiplayer. We'll get into that later, though, and maybe I'll update it sooner or later. Maybe it'll work. We don't know yet, but I'm planning on updating it soon enough. This is made in 100% C++ and does require the Lua subsystem for Unreal Engine 4. So let's get into it. So first, before we even download the plugin, we are going to need the repository link for our RE UE4SS. We can go to here. It'll bring us to this GitHub page. We'll scroll down. We'll download the X input. This right here, all we need to do is just open up the zip file, drag, copy all these files, and take them to our Steam folder. You can get it here, or you can go down back to Steam, open up your library, then go down to iStation-Z, click, or right-click iStation-Z, manage, browse local files. It'll bring up this window pop up. Go to iStation-Z, binaries, Win64, and you'll be in this folder. You would just want to paste it. And then we also need to modify a system setting for Unreal Engine 4 SS. So let's scroll down. You'll scroll down to this one thing called debug. You want to enable the console with 1 and then enable the GUI with 1. You'll click Control S to save, or you can go to save right up here. After we do that, I'm just going to keep this open and minus it. What we can do now is, well, download the plugin since now it's installed. Go here, back to our plugin page, go to the releases, download the DLL. We'll keep this, keep anyway. Then the plugin loader. We'll also keep this, and then keep anyway. It only does that for me because I have some safety settings on my browser. All of you should have it in case you don't want to download anything malicious automatically or wherever. So here we go. Let's get rid of that folder, rid of this folder, and rid of this folder. Yeah. So we can either keep them out like this, or we can put them into a folder, which I highly recommend. So we'll name this something weird like that. Then we'll just take these two, we'll cut these, and we'll paste them right into here. Then we can actually load the plugin loader before we even start up iStation-Z, which is nice. But I'm just going to start up iStation-Z, get into a game, and then I'll start it. So here, we'll just start up iStation-Z. As you can see, it works smoothly. Sometimes it might crash, We are actually going to delete the save data right up top because it is indeed, how do I say it, corrupted. If you set your health to -100, the game doesn't like that, not one bit. And so, well, don't do that. Let's go into slot 1. Take a little bit to load. Here we are. It might take a little bit, a little laggy. And now here we go. We're in iStation-Z, so let's start up the plugin. We'll go to our folder, or downloads, wherever you kept it. Load the plugin. We'll just click run anyway. This application is not signed, which means that you do indeed have to, keep it, or run it anyway. Because, just don't like it. I don't know how else to explain it, kind of. But here we go. So we are in iStation-Z now. Perfect, right? Whoops, sorry. Perfect. And so, let's go ahead and let's test out a plugin. So one of the this keeps going away. Sorry about that. It's mine. All right, here we go. So for our one code, we have the spacebar, which jumps. Good. We have the period, which sets our speed. So now we can run around like this. and stops us automatically. I believe we can also run up hills now as well. Yep. I don't think we can walk over these, no. Well, I didn't implement that yet. To reset it, though, we can click the comma button, and it'll reset our walk speed. What else we can do with it is pretty cool. We can use the up arrow, I think it is, to span the days. As you guys can see, it's cool, I guess. So now we'll set it back. And yep, there we go. Awesome. Now it is a little bit laggy sometimes, so you might want to keep that in mind when doing the day thing. We can actually, now, we can have infinite statuses. There we go. So now we have infinite health, hunger, all that. Use our flashlight if we want. And, I like being able to fly around. How about y'all? So, I believe this will go ahead and make us be able to fly it. And remember, this is a new save, so, it will not, it would have not already been set. So let's go find a weapon right quick inside a gray base. Let's go find a weapon inside a gray base right quick, and I'll show y'all what this can do. We have infinite ammo, infinite weapon durability, and no reload. I'm sorry about the quality of this. I was doing a video a while back, which actually got canceled because, well, it wasn't really worth it for y'all to know how to modify in-game settings when you can do it through the INA file. So this is actually a great time to show you all about the ammo, actually. So if you go over here, you can click the number key of 9, which will give us, you guessed it, infinite ammo. So let's try to find a gun right quick. Probably in here. Or not. Well, let's go ahead and let's give myself, oh, I don't know, hyperspeed maybe? Here, so it's the period. Then we can just run around to a place that has a gun. Actually, we'll need that anyway. Oh well. Well, that's not a good spot. So let's try to find a gun somewhere around here. Like anywhere, literally. Do the 3 red houses. Sometimes these places have guns, sometimes they don't, so just bear with me right quick. This will actually give us infinite weapon durability anyway. Would you look at that? We're able to fly. Pretty cool. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, so let's get on here. Right quick. Sorry about this. It's a little chaotic. Just trying to find a weapon so I can show this off. I should have actually planned this to begin with. Arctic handgun, okay. Do I have pistol ammo? No, I do not. Of course I don't. Yeah, just keep giving me rifle ammo like I need it. But here, I'll just show off the code then. So here, we go ahead and we click the number key of, what is it again? It's the 0. As you can see, it gives our weapons infinite durability. Oh, here we go. So what we do need to do is click. I think it's... Oh, it's a parallel, sorry. Alright, so it's a parallel. Now we can go ahead, backpack. I need to change that. Need to change that a crap load. But here we go. So see how it reloads now? What we can do is we can click the minus key, I believe, right? Let me check right quick. It's the minus key, yeah. Which will give us the minus key. Sorry, let me go ahead and check.